Okay, changing the starter motor on a 2013 Acura RDX 3.5 V6. This goes for model years 2013 to 2018. The starter motor on this one, I've already taken it out, but it's down here. Those two bolt holes are where there are two bolts. The top one is longer than the bottom, and if your starter motor has been installed from day one, as in this car, those bolts are in there for life. Getting them out without using a 6-point socket is risky business. Ask me how I know. There is also a bracket that I've removed which helps hold the starter in place that has been taken out here. You'll need to save your gasket because the remanufactured one from Advanced Auto Parts doesn't carry it. Here are those two bolts. The top one has a little bit of manglage on the head. It's 14 mil. I had to use a 9/16 6-point to get it off. Here's your remanufactured starter. The old one's already gone back as a $40 core because that's what they want. And wish me luck.